will also give the certificate to the organizers and the charter members of the Alumni Association. So, the Alpha Phi Omega Philippines Incorporated, founded on December 16, 1925 at Lafayette College, Easton, Pennsylvania, USA, organized on March 2, 1950 at Far Eastern University, Manila, Philippines. The certificate of recognition is awarded to Brother Efren P. Galang for being one of the charter members of Apo Quezon Nueva Ecija Alumni Association. The charter, as the 423rd Alumni Association, took effect on April 23, 2023 upon the approval of the National Board of Trustees during the National Executive Council and Board of Trustees 7th regular meeting for development year October 1, 2021 to June 30, 2023 held at the Fine Rock Hotel, Halandoni Street, Iloilo City, Iloilo, Philippines. The Alpha Phi Omega Quezon Nueva Ecija Alumni Association was formally installed this first day of June 2023 at Catrinas Place, Barangay Bertese, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Given this first day of June 2023 at Catrinas Place, Barangay Bertese, Quezon, Nueva Ecija, Philippines, signed by the National President, Sister Attorney Norma Singson de Leon, the National Executive Director, Sister Evelyn Evangelio, and Attorney Fritz Sapon, the National Executive Secretary.
May we invite the chairman to please be at the center while the regional director calls the roll of the certificates. Thank you.
Picture po. 1, 2, 3. Ayun na po.
Brother Roberto Castro